Hello everyone and welcome to the Timer Pit. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I organize Google Classroom for online teaching. So this is a quick tutorial on how I organize Google Classroom for online teaching. So you'll see this is my home page for Google Classroom. I'm a middle school teacher, so I have two different classes for each grade level. I'll just go ahead and click on my 6th grade class from last year here. You'll see there's the main page, and if I go and click on Classwork, you will see how I organized my classes during last semester. So all I did was create topics for the name of that week, and then I put my lessons and assignments under that topic. That way, when they went to classwork, they just had to look for whatever week it was, and then the list of work under there. So how to do that? It is really simple. All you need to do is go to Create when you're in Classwork. You'll see all these different options here. At the bottom is Topic. Create your topic. And so let's say if you're starting school this week, I would just put August, and let's see, the first day of this week was the 4th, and the end of the week is the 8th, I think I'm mistaken. Or is it 4th? Well, let's go 8th. And then click Add. And so then whatever homework I would have for that week, I would just put it under there, so when the kids came to Google Classroom, they could see where their work is. And if I felt was a very simple and easy way for organizing Google Classroom for online teaching. If you have any questions about what you have seen in the video, please leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can, trying to answer your question. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope your online teaching goes well this year.